Hello squirrel friends, Polly Amarous sydd yma, dwi'n ôl. Wel, wna i fod chi gwylio Snatch Game gyda GC Dyma Collins.
Hi, honey.
Wow. Ond, pwy bysyn unaidd os oedd yn un Drag Race? Well, it's me, Stacey Solomon. What am I like? Oh, let's go. Brows done. Nawr, foundation. Lovely. Now, foundation gwyn. Oh, I look like a right clown. Next, powder, and oil powder. Okay, amser poppy. Fy dywisiadau arall yw Ruth Jones fel nesa a Sophie Anderson i Cock Destroyer. Dwi'n hoffi Stacey ddo achos mae'n hi'n hawdd i wneud yn ddoniol. Fabulous. Amser llygaid. So, it's Snatch Game. Pwy oedd y gorau? Bym ni fel Katie Price.
Is it cold in here or is it just my nipples?
Legendary. A Tace, y gwalt yna, hilarious.
How are you, you great hunk of spunk?
So, roedd rai odd choices hefyd though. Florence Chaney fel Miriam Argyles. Eish. Lush baby. Collar. Ding. Amser Stacey. But his dress doesn't fit, your girl. From the jungle. A done a name. Gobeithio fel chi wedi mwynhau, darling. Party, party.